The Constitution provides a fixed term of 5 years for the Lok Sabha. The total number of members is 552. Of these, 530 are members from all states. 20 are members from Union territories. And 2 are members from the Anglo-Indian community, nominated by the President. The state and union territory members are elected by the electorate of the country. The rules to qualify as a member of Lok Sabha are: the person should be an Indian citizen. The person should be at least 25 years of age. The person should have his or her name in the electoral rolls in some part of the country. The person should not hold any office of profit under the government. They should not be of unsound mind. And the person should not be an insolvent or a proclaimed criminal. Take a look at all the 6 qualification criteria to be a member of Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha meets 3 times a year. These are called sessions. One is called the budget session, when the budget is presented. The second is the monsoon session. And the third is the winter session. The Constitution states that the Lok Sabha must have at least 2 sessions in a year. And the gap between the sessions must not exceed 6 months. To conduct any business during the sessions, there must be a quorum of at least 10% of the members. Question hour is the first hour of every working day, where any member can ask questions on any aspect of administration. These questions can be start, which are those questions for which an verbal answer is expected. Or non-start questions, where the expectation is that the concerned member is given a written reply to the question. The concerned minister is given a period within which the response is expected. A third type of question is called short notice. These are questions of urgent public matter, and the notice for such questions are less than even 10 days. And private questions, which are questions asked to members who are not ministers. A motion is a proposal used by the Member of Parliament for eliciting opinion of the House on some issues of public importance. Adjournment motion is discuss a matter of urgent public importance. A cut motion may be moved during the budget session. It is called to ensure that the money being spent in accordance with the budget. A no confidence motion is a proposal expressing lack of confidence in the ministry. The motion is moved by the opposition and admitted when a minimum of 50 members support it. If passed, the government has to resign.